Welcome to Section 2, Learning Advanced Aspects. Previously, we discussed about reusable transformations, maplets, and debugger. In this section, we will continue to learn more advanced aspects and utilities of Designer Screen, such as target load plan, comparing objects, dependencies, and tracing level, target load plan. In this video, we'll learn the operation of target load plan, to manage the constraints using it, and to load the data into multiple targets in a mapping using target load plan. We'll start with managing the constraints. Target load plan allows us to maintain the sequence of execution of multiple mapping flows in the same mapping. While you work on multiple mappings in a complex scenario, a situation may demand you to put multiple data flow in a single mapping to justify the performance and complexity. A sample mapping depicting the above statement is created here as an example. If you execute the above mapping, the session may fail because of the primary key foreign key violation. Since the employee and department table have dependencies on each other, when you run the mapping containing both the flows, the process may fail if data violates the dependency. To avoid this issue, Informatica PowerCenter comes with a utility called Target Load Plan. How do you plan to load the data into multiple targets in a mapping? We can load the data in a particular sequence in multiple targets in a mapping to avoid the failure due to constraints. Consider employees table data depends on the department's data because of the primary key and foreign key constraints. To satisfy the referential integrity, the department's table should be loaded first. Target load order is useful when you wish to handle referential integrity while inserting, deleting, or updating data in the tables, which have the primary key and foreign key relationships. To select Target Load Plan, click Mapping. Select Target Load Plan. A new window will pop up, representing the source and targets of two mappings. To set the target load plan, just move the target load group using the arrow provided in the window. Load the departments table before employees table. Select the SQ_departments and click the up arrow. This will make the departments table load before employees table, and we can avoid the failure. When we use target load plan, Informatica PowerCenter actually restricts the extraction of the data from the source qualifier. It waits for the first flow in the selected sequence to finish loading the data, and then starts extracting the data from the second source qualifier for its loading.